Hello everyone, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about plenum box sizing. So after the end of this lecture, you would be able to understand introduction to plenum box, what is the main purpose of plenum box, then we'll show you the plenum box sizing for AHU and FCU. After that, we'll discuss the plenum box sizing for air terminal device like diffuser. So let's start. So first we'll see what is actually plenum box. A plenum box in HVAC system serves as a key component for managing airflow. Okay, its primary purpose is to facilitate the uniform distribution of air from the HVAC system to connected ductwork or air outlets such as diffusers and grills. Okay, so the main purpose as I discussed. So remember, without a plenum box, the airflow from the HVAC unit may be uneven, causing hot or cold spot in a room. So by creating a space where air can stabilize, it helps equalize pressure and volume before entering a smaller duct. Correct? And plenum box also act as a buffer, reducing noise and vibration from the HVAC unit or fan that might otherwise travel through the ductwork. Okay. So plenum box is used over the air terminal device and it is connected with AHU. So either you can use the plenum box over the air terminal device, for example diffuser, or it is also connected with AHU or FCU. Here in this figure you can say the plenum box is connected with the indoor unit, either it is a FCU or AHU. See, the side view is given. So when you see the plenum box from side view, the height and depth of plenum box is visible, and from top view, width and see depth is visible. Correct? Now you have to connect the supply duct. So plenum box, basically the plenum box is used to convert the turbulent flow to laminar flow. So in this way we can reduce the noise. Okay, and it also provide a transition zone that help maintain consistent pressure across outlet. Okay, so this is essential for maintaining the design airflow rate. Is it clear? And now the next question is given here, next point. The depth of plenum box can be found by multiplying blower diameter with 2.5 factor. Okay, so if you want to find out the depth of plenum box, so you have to multiply by blower diameter. So blower diameter you will get from the manufacturer side, multiplied by this 2.5 factor. Okay, so now we'll show you the plenum box sizing for air handling unit. So for that, so first of all, here you can see the formula which we have to use here is discharge flow formula. Q is equal to VA. So in this formula, Q is what? It is the flow rate in cubic feet per minute. V is the velocity in FPM. And capital A is the area of plenum box in square feet. Correct? So as per ASHRAE standard, the required velocity for air handling unit which you have to use is 800 FPM, or you can maintain up to 1200, between this way 800 to 1200, but normally better is to take 800 FPM. Okay, so as per ASHRAE, standard required velocity for air handling unit is 800 FPM. Correct? So let's say according to our calculated heat load tonnage is 8 TR. Suppose you have calculated the heat load or cooling load value with the help of software, or manual calculation is also there, you know that. You have got 8 TR. Okay, as rule of thumb we know that 1 TR needs 400 CFM. 1 TR is equal to 400 CFM air. So we can easily convert this 8 TR into CFM. So 8 TR needs 3200 CFM air. So here we have got the flow rate value 3200 CFM. Remember, this value you will get from the heat load calculation. Here I have shown you the thumb rule. As per thumb rule we have got a 3200 CFM. Exact airflow rate you will get from the cooling load calculation, correct? So here we have got flow rate value in CFM. Now the next thing which we know, as I told you in starting, as per ASHRAE standard, the required velocity for air handling unit is 800 fpm, correct? So as per equation 1, formula is what? To calculate the area, formula Q upon V. Just substitute the value. 3200 is the flow rate, 800 velocity. So here you will get the area 4 square feet. Okay, once you will get the area, now the next thing, area of plenum box can be using the following equation, can be calculated by using following equation. All of you know, area of plenum box is equal to width into height. So this is your equation number 2. Now already here I am assuming, according to site condition, we have to assume height of plenum box and try to find width. So suppose let's say the height is 1.6 feet, correct? When you substitute this height value in the equation number 2, you will get the width. Okay, see, to find out the width of plenum box, area of plenum box divided by height. So area already we have calculated 4 square feet divided by height 1.6. So the width of plenum box is 2.5 feet and height we have considered 1.6 feet. Same way, now the remaining we need to calculate the depth of plenum box. So as I told you, the depth of plenum box can be calculated by using following equation, this one. You have to multiply the blower diameter by this factor 2.5. So let's say, as I told you, the blower diameter you will get from the manufacturer side. Here we are assuming the diameter of fan blower of AHU is 12 inch, correct? So when you substitute this 12-inch value in equation number 3, you will get the blower diameter, the depth of plenum box is 2.5 feet. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate the plenum box sizing for air handling unit. Okay, same way, next I will show you the plenum box sizing for fan coil unit. So it is the same procedure, only the velocity which we have to maintain for fan coil unit as per ASHRAE for sizing plenum box is different, 500 fpm. See, first thing is same, discharge flow rate formula. In this formula, as I told you, Q is the flow rate, V velocity and A area of plenum box. Our main target, as I told you, as per ASHRAE standard, the required velocity for fan coil unit is 500 fpm. Okay, so let's say according to our calculated heat load tonnage is 8 TR, you can, as per thumb rule, you can convert it into CFM. So we have got 3200 CFM. Now to calculate the area, simple formula is what? A is equal to Q upon V. Now when you substitute the value, area we have got 6.4 square feet. As I already discussed, the area of plenum can be calculated by using this equation which is given. So this is our equation number 2. Now finally, according to site condition, we have to assume the height. So here I have taken 1.6, same height. So when you substitute, you will get the width, how much? 4 feet. Same way, to calculate the depth of plenum box, 2.5 into blower diameter of FCU, correct? So here I am assuming the same, diameter of fan blower of FCU is 12 inch. As per that, when you substitute, you will get the depth of plenum box is 2.5 feet. Okay, so in this way we need to calculate the plenum box sizing for fan coil unit. Now let's say if you are using plenum box over the air terminal device, over diffuser, let's say, to reduce the noise, generally we are using in critical area, like in hospital project we are using, or for clean room application generally, because in that application the noise is an important factor. If you are designing the luxury apartment, palace, okay, where cost is not an issue, so in that you can use the plenum box over the air terminal device. So here you can see in this figure, so you will understood. In this figure, if you see, here we have a diffuser. So over the diffuser we have placed the plenum box. Now the question is, okay, if the plenum box is connected to AHU, FCU, so by using the discharge flow rate formula and the velocity which I have told you, we can do the sizing. But if you are using plenum box over diffuser, now how to find out the height, diameter means the opening diameter and everything, width. So see, once if you have done the sizing and selection of diffuser, so based on the diffuser neck size, see, you know that this diffuser has two sides. First is neck and this one is the face. Face side is generally exposed to the room, and neck size, in neck only we have to connect the plenum. Okay. So as per GGC, Gulf Grill Corporation catalog, manufacturer catalog, I will show you, because this data na you will get from the manufacturer. So as per GGC product, when you see, based on your neck size of diffuser, neck 6 inch by, suppose let's say if your diffuser neck size is 6 inch by 6 inch. Okay. So to calculate the opening diameter for plenum, how much it is given? 5 inch as per GGC product. Okay, this table I am showing. And the width of this plenum is 6.28 inch. Height 9.14. So based on the neck size of diffuser, you will get the diameter, width and height of plenum. Okay. So in this way, we have to calculate the plenum box sizing for air terminal device. Now the topics which we have covered in this session. First, we have discussed in detail the main purpose of plenum box in HVAC. Then I have shown you the plenum box sizing for AHU and FCU. Then we have discussed the plenum box sizing for air terminal device. So this is all about plenum box sizing. Hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.